congratulations. Actually, we're very impressed with the amount of information that you were able to present, right? And I know it's a limited amount of time for you to be able to generate that, and the visualizations themselves were quite impressive. So congratulations for that. Actually, my question is a little bit more fundamental, right? And I'm assuming, and correct me if I'm wrong, that the audience for your presentations are this business. Is that correct? Okay, so my first question is that, what is the core problem of the CSO that you're trying to solve for this presentation?
I think their core problem is that where next should they go, or what areas should they and what those areas need so that they can tailor programs for those youth.
And what particular problem are you trying to solve for this particular analysis? Because you went into clustering, and then I'm assuming you also went into some different types of analysis, presented quite a lot, right? From clustering to different types of solutions and different types of dashboard. But what is the problem that you're trying to solve with all of this information presented to the CSOs?
CSOs wanted to encourage more youth to become youth leaders. So that's their main problem. And so with helping them where to go, we want to help them expand their reach. So for them to encourage more youth and to equip more youth to become youth leaders.
Okay, congratulations also again. Very, very interesting, study. Yung dashboard ba, pwede mo lang gusto mo na Starlock? Dapat mag-last name yun. Anyway, so you're saying that this is for the CSOs and increase your participation and then expand further. Confidential ba to know who are the 5 CSOs in this study?
They weren't disclosed. They were disclosed to us also. That's why we also have just 1 to 3 for them.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is because CSOs, their purpose are varied. Okay, so their needs also vary. So the things that you listed there, like employment, poverty, etc., it would depend on what they need to do. Were you given by the nature of the CSO, what they're doing?
No, those are also confidential.
Okay. I'm just concerned that there's no correlation, but I think what she presented in the dashboard are general characteristics of the country, tama? Of the country, yung employment, poverty. Okay, so it's kind of an overall dashboard about the characteristics of the various provinces. Are there any youth leaders present there? So if I'm FTW, for example, wants more participants in this, they probably look on some factors that will help them promote more data science. And then female population then, with female leaders. So, okay, I got it. So the solution is kind of providing a picture of the various provinces that they can go to depending on their mission as a CSO. Okay, so in that case, it's a very good help. You should pwede ba natin Okay, sige. Alright, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.